Hello everyone, this is Tom Lang with JPW Realty. I am very excited to show you this house out in Watertown, Minnesota. It's a beautiful, quiet neighborhood, not too far from the cities. This house is listed for sale right now at 309K. It has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And you guys will see it is really, really cool. It's listed at 1,800 square feet, but it seems like it's a lot more. This is the kitchen area. You could have a dine-in kitchen right here. They're still doing some renovations on this property, so bear with us on this. This area right here could be used for either a pantry or they used it for a freezer. Here is the kitchen area again. There is a gas stove and very functional. New countertops, new cabinets, new lighting, new flooring. They're really doing a really good job on this house as far as the renovations go. Here is a real fireplace. And now we will walk over to a main floor bedroom with a powder room inside of it, which is really nice for people that are looking for one level living. It will serve that function very well. Big open living room here, or formal dining room you could be used for, then another living room here. And then I have to show this. It's the stained glass. The house was built in 1910. In the 60s, they had a hailstorm, so there's only like these few pieces of stained glass left, but I have to show that because it's just so cool. All right, let's go upstairs real quick. This is an interesting house. You'll see at the time when this was built, this was obviously top of the line stuff, and it's a big corner lot that I don't really show, so I should. And here's 1 bedroom, beautiful hardwood floors in every single one, very clean, all register heating, which is awesome. There's a boiler downstairs. It's legit, and I'll show you the ornate registers that are still in this house that are original. It's really cool. Here's the upstairs bathroom, full bath, full tub, sink, vanity, and a toilet. Now look at this. The register in the bathroom is the one that I show, and there's a few in the house like this, but this is really cool. You have to see how ornate this is. Original metal work on there. Look at that. How cool is that? That's awesome. Okay, now we're going to go outside. It's not outside. This was outside, and they turned it into a covered area that you could use for storage. It never really got finished, but it's actually functional. Now I want to go upstairs in the attic. This is really cool. They don't build houses like this anymore. Functional space. I was thinking music studio, art studio. Of course, you could use it for storage, but it seems like such a cool space to be able to use for something, I don't know, something original, something creative. I thought it was really cool. So down this cool long staircase into the front porch area here. Very functional, very cool. This is the actual real front door that you should use. And a huge lot. My name is Tom Lang. Hit me up for details. Thanks for watching, everybody.